Did you know sound works differently on Mars than it does on Earth? Mars' atmosphere is cold, making sound travel more slowly. Thin, making sounds quieter. And mostly carbon dioxide, making sound more muffled. This is how a bicycle bell sounds here on Earth. And this is how a bicycle bell would sound on Mars. Now this is how ocean waves sound here on Earth. And this is how they would sound on Mars. The Perseverance rover has 2 microphones that record sounds on Mars. This is the actual audio of a Martian dust devil. And this is a recording of the Ingenuity helicopter in flight. This is the sound of the Perseverance rover driving on its metal wheels.
We are a species of explorers, and we will meet many setbacks on the way to Mars. However, we can persevere. We, not as a nation, but as humans, will not give up. The human race will always persevere into the future.
Want to hear more? Scan this code or visit this site for more Sounds of Mars.